easy way that I have found to do this is when you're maintaining contact and maintaining your tools, is that you're going to unclip, take your clip tip, part the hair, take your finger and slide it along the spine of the clip, move the hair back and clip it in place, and then take your pinky and ring finger and place it on your parting. Take your thumb and forefinger and part the hair. Apply your serum to that part. Hold your needle back in and then use the device. And you're using the device through that area. And then when you're done, actually cradle it here in my arm, even though I have my wristband on. You kind of feel a little bit like a T-Rex, and then I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna part, use my finger on the spine, flip that hair back, rest there, use my thumb and forefinger, apply the serum, hold my syringe, and use the tool.